Hello, today we're going to talk about how to use a Python script to loop a set of commands, pretty much like iterating the same command multiple times to collect some statistical data from a router. In this case, the example of the script is against a Juniper device, so we will quickly walk through the script contents and what it does. So the script, in this case, I've named it as Python looping command script. So I'm using the Netmiko function of the Python library and then getpass. So here the password is prompted and it is not explicitly given on the script itself. So the next thing we do is we define my device as a variable where we give the host name we want to connect to, the username that we use to connect to the device, and password is getpass, which is going to prompt for the password for the device. And the device type is specified as Juniper Junos. Usually if it's a different vendor, you have to give the corresponding device type. So netConnect variable is invoking the Netmiko functionality with the device parameters that I've given here. Now here is the for loop condition. As you can see, I'm creating an iteration for 5 times for n in range 1, n plus 1. So increment each time. I want the script to run this command, show PFE statistics traffic, print the output, and to separate the iterations, I'm also printing a hash to make it more visibly understandable. And then there is a sleep of 1 second before it reruns the command. And finally, after the 5 iterations are completed, it will disconnect the session to the router. Now, when you invoke it with Python version 3, you can see it connected to the device. It got the output that I was looking for. Here I may be looking at errors for LDP or any packet drops. Let's say in this example we will focus on normal discards. This is from a Juniper router, so people familiar with Juniper will understand that this counter indicates packets that are dropped due to firewall, or for packets that are dropped maybe if there is no routing available. Now if you're tracking for that, so first iteration it said I have 13 counters. Then as you can see, there's a hash to separate the previous command output. Again it ran. I don't have any problem. The counters have not increased. Likewise, it is just repeating it for 5 times, and then eventually it just finishes off the script. So it's a very basic script, but can be optimized and customized according to your needs, and it can even save this content into a text file or whatever file if you want, instead of even printing it into the screen itself. But this is just an example. Hope you like it. Bye for now.